How to create unlimited Facebook accounts. Go to Facebook website. You'll see a prominent create new account button. Click it to begin. You'll be asked for some basic information. Enter your name, birth date, and your selected gender. You also need to provide an email address. For your email address, you can visit the temp mail website and copy your generated temporary email address. Once you're done, you can click the word sign up. Facebook will send a verification code to your email address. Check your inbox, copy the code, and paste it into the verification field on the Facebook sign up page. Once your account is confirmed, you can now create unlimited Facebook accounts.